internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Inku unboxing video for you. I think this might be the October box, so I'm kind of curious to know if there's like a Halloween theme to it. Yes, October. Actually, now that I remember, Inku doesn't really do themes as much as say Zenpop does, and even kawaii boxes, so maybe not, although they do have these bats, so maybe. Okay, I'm not gonna go through the leaflet, I'm just gonna unbox. Ooh, there's quite a few things here. Alright, this is, I'm pretty sure I've already tried this same pen many times. It's Sara Sara ink gel pen. I can try it at the end, but I'm sure you guys have seen these to death because they're very popular because they are amazing. So this looks like a letter envelope set. It's like little monsters all over the place. It's kind of cute. And then this would be some washi tape. Oh, this is very Halloweenish washi tape. I hope you guys can see the Halloween washi tape. It's very, very Halloweenish. The only downside is, look how thin it is in terms of like, I don't feel like you're going to get very much washi tape from this, especially in comparison to other tapes. However, it doesn't, does it say how many meters this is? Okay, 3 meters. Yeah, so it is a little less. I think for most washi tape, it's usually 5 meters, so that's worth keeping in mind. And then, oh, it's just a tape cutter. So I guess you could store your washi tape in this. Oh, it's already got tape in it. Okay, maybe not. I mean, you can, but what would be the point? Yeah, there's already tape in this. It's so cute though, these characters. And I love how portable it is. You can just kind of lock it up and then not worry about scratching anything. It's just much more portable. It's actually, I don't think I have anything like this. I feel like that would be a hard thing for me to say because I feel like I unbox things all the time, but yeah, I don't have anything like this. No portable washi tape. No portable sticky tape dispensers. Not that I'm going anywhere, so maybe it's kind of a moot point. This is a little jar of post-it notes. I think it looks like a little jar of post-it notes. That is so cute. You guys see all the little panda bears? And I think that's just like really thick sticky notes. Let's try and open this. And so there's like a little, you can see a plastic thing here that kind of stores them, and then they all sit in the jar. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to store them in the jar. I'm going to take them out and actually, you know, use them. And then, I'm not sure what I'll use the jar for, but I mean, you could use it to store spices and stuff, I suppose. Not that, yeah, cool. And then we have some sticker flakes. Oh, these are so cute. Look at these bunnies. Here are all the designs. This reminds me of Sailor Moon. It's cute. It's all sorts of different desserts. I just want to see what sort of sticker paper it is. It's glossy. Just normal, standard glossy with a bit of that iridescent flakes in it. I think if it was washi tape, it would have been so cool, but these are still really cute. Let me take a few out so you guys can kind of get an idea as to what they're like. Yeah, very cute. And then when I saw this, I was like beyond excited because Cardcaptor Sakura is one of my favorite anime of all time. Probably not my most favorite. I actually don't know if I have a favorite because there's just like a group of them that I just love. So I grew up watching Sakura, which is why there's so many fond memories associated with her. And Kero-chan, seriously, I use Kero-chan as an avatar for work often. So I think this is just, ooh, the stickers back here too. Yeah, I think this is just supposed to be a standard school notebook. It would have been so much better if this was lined though. I've got quite a few blank notebooks and I find them very difficult to use because I'm not good at writing straight naturally unless there is some guidelines for me. But yeah, I mean, I don't know who else is like a fan of this series. I haven't really met anyone except Violet who's seen it. I believe with Sakura, Tomoyo, Yuki, Toya, Xiaorian, and Kero-chan. It's so cool. Oh, memories. So let's go try out this pen. So this is a Sarasa gel pen from Zebra. I feel like I've talked about them a lot, but they're very popular gel pens, very similar to, say, the Pentel Celina pens. And yeah, they're very inky and very smooth inks. This is a light blue. no complaints. I love the Sarasa line. They're very comfortable. I often have this one sitting on my desk often, just a black version, because I just don't tend to use colored pens for writing. I use these more for like sketching, drawing, filling things in, but not really writing. So I always keep the black pens on my desk. I think this month was better than last month just because there's more functional stuff, and I just tend to be a fan of the functional stationery. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.